Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Uthfy HYWAC12CD1 12,000 BTU U-shaped window air conditioner. I have looked through the internet, analyzed its features, compared it with other window air conditioners in this category, and by the end of this video, I'll tell you whether the Uthfy HYWAC12CD1 is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Window air conditioners have improved significantly over the years, and the U-shaped design is one of the biggest innovations in this category. Unlike traditional units that block a large portion of your window and place more noise inside your room, the U-shaped structure allows the window to close between sections of the air conditioner, helping reduce noise while still allowing more natural light and outside visibility. This design has become increasingly popular for people who want strong cooling without the usual loud operating sound associated with standard window ACs. The biggest highlight of the Uthfy HYWAC12CD1 is its 12,000 BTU cooling power. This gives it enough strength to handle bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, apartments, and other medium-sized spaces up to 550 square feet. During hot summer days, a unit in this class can quickly bring temperatures down and maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Another excellent feature is the 6-in-1 functionality. Rather than just providing basic cooling, it includes multiple operating modes such as cooling, fan, dehumidification, sleep, automatic adjustment, and energy-saving modes. This flexibility allows you to customize the experience based on weather conditions, whether you need maximum cooling during the day or quieter operation while sleeping. The adjustable louvers and 3-fan speed options further improve comfort by allowing better control over airflow direction and intensity. This means you can direct cool air exactly where it is needed instead of having a fixed airflow pattern. Noise performance is another area where this unit stands out. The U-shaped architecture helps separate the louder compressor section from the indoor environment, creating a much quieter experience compared to many conventional window air conditioners. This makes it especially attractive for bedrooms, offices, and spaces where a peaceful environment is important. Similar U-shaped AC designs can operate at very low noise levels compared to traditional units. Convenience is also a major part of the experience. The included remote control allows you to change temperature and modes from across the room, while the 24-hour timer makes it easy to schedule operation around your daily routine. You can have the room cool before you arrive home, or set the unit to turn off automatically during the night. Installation is designed to be straightforward, which is important because many large window AC units can be difficult to set up. The U-shaped design also allows you to maintain more of your window's functionality, which is something many traditional designs cannot offer. Of course, there are some limitations. A 12,000 BTU unit is physically larger and heavier than smaller window ACs, so installation may require extra effort. It also works best when matched with the recommended room size, as oversized or undersized air conditioners may not provide the most efficient comfort. But overall, when you look at the complete package, the Uthfy HYWAC12CD1 offers strong cooling performance, quiet operation, flexible modes, and a much more modern window AC experience. The combination of the U-shaped design, multiple comfort settings, and energy-conscious operation makes it a compelling choice for many homes. So, should you buy the Uthfy HYWAC12CD1 12,000 BTU U-shaped window air conditioner? After looking through the internet and evaluating everything it offers, my answer is yes for users who need powerful cooling for medium-sized rooms and value quieter operation over a standard window unit. If you only need cooling for a very small bedroom or limited space, a lower BTU model would save money and energy. But if you want strong cooling, better comfort controls, and a more premium window AC design, the Uthfy HYWAC12CD1 is a very solid option. Overall, the Uthfy HYWAC12CD1 stands out as a feature-rich U-shaped window air conditioner that focuses on comfort, convenience, and quieter everyday cooling, making it a great choice for modern homes.